Good morning. Now we're going ahead and ceramic coating all the leather on this Harley Davidson. Back seat rest, the seat, and this will help it with wear and tear, and the owner will only need a damp paper towel to clean it. No Armor All or Lexol, any other products will ever be needed for this. It'll also stop with the oxidation from the sun also. The rest of the Harley Davidson is completed. We put 2 coats of graphene ceramic on the entire Harley. We used the metal ceramic on the engine parts because that's temperature controlled up to 300 degrees. And real quick, I'll show you the other parts we did that we decided to take off the bike and do it on the carpet. These are the sidecars. We're at Palm Beach Ceramics. Customer's on his way to pick up his 24 Harley Davidson. This bike is completely ceramic coated, 2 coats of graphene ceramic on the entire bike. On the seat, we used the leather ceramic. On the engine, we used a special metal ceramic, which has extremely high heat resistance. We took off all the saddlebags, ceramic coated the complete saddlebag. The exhaust we did. Everything was completely ceramic coated, the mirrors, all the gauges. Now he's ready to cruise on the highway.